What up, everyone? Paul James Rodriguez, aka L.O.N.E. Today, actually, I'm going to make a video regarding doing a ghetto bird, which is a hard flip 180 on a skateboard. I've been doing a lot of music videos, but I want to kind of explain who I am. Been skating for over 20 years. Was super passionate about it, but actually put it down for basketball. So crazy. Hopefully, you enjoy this video. Getting back into skating. Pretty tough again, so going to be putting in some work. So hope you enjoy and feel free to subscribe. That would be dope. So, all right, dope. So let me show you a little under the bridge. This one was sketchy. I'm gonna show you some cleaner ones. Let's see, 1.4K views. I need it. I didn't need it either. So I do a lot of music videos as well. Should be this one right here. Didn't line that one. That one was. This one shows it actually a little bit better because I didn't land it. So check this one out. You're gonna see it went down. So it's a hard flip first and foremost. Like I said, gotta learn how to hard flip. And see how I'm laser focused on looking down. I'm not thinking about the 180. I'm thinking about the hard flip first. My body's not turning, right? So it's split. I caught it, but I just slipped on that one. So I was so mad about this one. But let me do it without any stoppage. So yeah, I really wish I got that, but this one says went back for vengeance, so I'll show that. Sure, this one says finally healthy. I was injured for a whole year, so really motivated to get back into skating. So let me show you this get up bird. So it's a little bit easier on a hip transfer, but because you only have to do like a backside 180, or not as much of a backside 180. But let me pause it when the proper time is. So, like I said, hard flip first. I'm laser focused. Hard flip always first. Never think about the second thing. You got to be in the moment. So hard flip first, catch 180. Then it's the 180. So when it comes to ghetto birds, it's hard flip first. Stay focused, looking down, and then when you can, catch it, and then 180. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll do some more tutorials, maybe on a hard flip because I'm jumping straight to a ghetto bird. Um, but honestly, today I make this happen. Pop, catch, focus, hard flip first, then 180, then land, then roll away. So truly hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to subscribe, please do.